Hello boys and girls. So today we are still in unit 14. A ringgit saved is a ringgit earned. Today we are looking into writing section A and section C. Now let's move on. Okay, the first one, writing section A, and the title is Saving in a Bank. There are 5 steps as you can see here, and the first one is save pocket money that is not spent in the money box. So before you open an account, you got to have some money. So where should you save that money? In a money box. After that, you need to get some documents ready before you go to the bank. And at the bank, you have to fill out the application form, and after that you have to hand in the form to the teller at the bank counter, and lastly you will be given a recognition card. So remember these 5 steps, and those underlined words are the keywords that might help you to answer the question in the next task. Okay, let's look at the text. Mom, an officer from BNB Bank came to our school today. Why was the officer there? He gave a talk about the junior saving account of the bank. He told us that it is important to save money for use in times of need. So he encouraged us to open dash to keep our money. So he encouraged us to open an account to keep our money. Why do I say an account? Let's look at what his mom said. I think what he said is right. So do you intend to open an account? So the mother is asking him whether he wanted to open an account or not. Move on to the next blank. Of course, I have saved some money in my money box. Can we go to the bank tomorrow afternoon after school? So before he opened an account, he saved his money in a money box. And after that, sure, did he tell you the documents needed when opening an account? Okay, let's look back at the steps given. So first you got to save your money in your money box, and you have to get your documents ready before you go to the bank and open an account. And next one. Yes, he did. We just need to bring along our identity cards. We will have to fill out the application form at the bank. Then we just hand the form and money to the teller. We will receive a recognition card in the end. It is simple. By the way, I will give you 100 as a motivation. And Mazuki said, thank you, Mom. So remember the step. Once you got the document ready, you got to fill out the application form. After that, you hand in to the counter. And once it is successful, you will get a recognition card. So this is basically what the text about. Okay, move on to writing section C. Okay, this is a picture given to you, and there are 10 words given as a guidance. So you can use these words to help you in writing the essay. Okay, let's move to the first paragraph. One day, Jane went dash with her mother. There was an annual sale at Jaya Shopping Mall, and everything was sold at a discount. So, what is the best word for this blank? One day, Jane went shopping with her mother. Okay, move on to the second paragraph. Jane and her mother were at the department selling girls' and ladies' clothes. Jane's mother wanted to buy what is that? A dress for her. Jane picked 2 dresses which were to her liking, and she checked the price tag. The dresses cost RM50 and RM80 respectively. And now move on to the third paragraph. So you have used some of the words, and another balance should be used here. Jane of her English teacher who always dashed them to dash and dash. Therefore, Jane finally decided to dash the dash dress. Her mother dashed her for being thrifty. So Jane thought of her English teacher who always advised them to spend wisely and save money. Therefore, Jane finally decided to buy the cheaper dress. Her mother praised her for being thrifty. Okay, that's all I think for now. So I hope you can complete your task for writing section A and section C and make use of this video in helping you to complete the task. So that's all from me. Thank you and have a good day.